Warrior one. Come on down. Runner's pose. Let's do the other side. Back to plank. Pinch your sides with your elbows as you go down. Chaturanga. Upward dog. Avoid this. Get everything up. Good. Back to plank. Don't move your feet or hands. Push up if you want to. Keep your feet or hands right where they are. Downward dog. Feet together. Float the left heel into the sky. And swing it through. Place the back heel down. Warrior one. Warrior two. Good. Reverse warrior on this side. You're in trouble? Straighten the leg. Come back down when you're ready. Don't put all your weight on that leg with that hand. Reach back. One more deep breath. Warrior two. Swing through the warrior one. Come on down to runner's pose. Lift that heel up. Back to plank. Pinch your sides with the elbows. Chaturanga. Upward dog. Back to plank. Push up if you want to. Downward dog. Together.